The little train of the High Somme is the last remaining section of a once large military network built to move supplies for the 1916 Battle of the Somme in World War I. At its peak it moved 1,500 tons of ammunition to the front every day. The railway is based in the little village of Fraissy, 2 hours from Calais by road. The line is the last surviving example of a First World War trench railway. Its gauge is 60 centimetres or 1 foot 11 and 5/8 inches. It starts from the headquarters at Fraissy, runs on flat ground as far as Capy, and then climbs steeply through a tunnel and a zigzag to reach the Plateau, and continue as far as the village of Dompierre. Its total length is 7 kilometres. The locomotive on the train is an 060 Decoville Type 17, and despite its side tanks is classed as a well tank. Its works number is 1652, built in 1916 for the Réseau Nord-Est Railway. Here the train drifts into the wayside station of Capy. Up to this point the line has run alongside the Somme Canal, but now it strikes inland, through a tunnel and rises to a plateau by means of a zigzag section of track. Normally steam locomotives do not work over this section of line. The photographers in the group would disembark here to photograph the train on the zigzag section. At the summit we disembarked, and the train then set back to make a run past. Now on the plateau the track ran alongside the road, and beyond the road we see the land ready for planting with sugar beet. As we approach the village of Dompierre, we see the sugar beet processing factory. The beet is now transferred by lorry.
End of the line. Back.
Back at Frassy there's a workshop and an excellent museum. The line has 9 steam locomotives, 3 of which will be in working order at any one time. At the depot there's a selection of old industrial era wagons and even some original First World War wagons. The track panels would have been used to construct temporary track leading to the sugar beet fields. The existing railway shown in lime green is just a small part of a very extensive 60 centimetre trench railway system as shown in red. Not all would have been in use at any one time, and temporary track leading to the active fighting areas would be repositioned as required. This locomotive was brought to the UK in 1978 with the intention of restoring it and using it on the newly privatised Vale of Rydal Railway. It was eventually returned to France and restored.